Hello. Hi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay. So could you please introduce yourself?
Okay. My name is Megha and I'm from Kerala.
All right. And what do you do?
I completed B.Ed and now I'm looking for jobs.
All right. Cool. So what was your subject in graduation and post graduation?
My subject is economics.
Oh, economics. Great. I
Yes,
love
yes.
economics. It's so interesting. Mhm.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
So why did you join Clap and Go?
I recently came to know about this platform in
Hmm.
YouTube videos,
Hmm.
and so many videos I saw
Hmm.
about this. So many people are doing
Hmm.
this in platform and
Hmm.
improving English. So
Yes.
today I joined this. Um, I download this app today. On
Okay. All right. So you downloaded this app today.
yes, yes,
And this is your demo session, right?
yeah, 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 yeah.
And I'll introduce myself. My name is Aishwarya P, and I'm also from Kerala.
Ah,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Nice to meet you too.
Which
So
part of Kerala?
I don't want
Which?
to disclose the place here.
Okay, okay, okay. No
Yeah.
problem.
Yeah. Thank you. So, what do you think are your weak areas in English?
My weak area is I don't get the words to speak in English when
Okay.
in speaking.
Yeah.
Then I
Vocabulary and
uh, yes, then pronunciation.
yes.
Yeah, then major thing is here in Kerala, you know that we have no opportunity to speak in English. We are always using mother tongue.
Yes. 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 Lack of practice, right?
Yeah, I think
So,
these are the major problems I'm facing.
okay, so how do you rate your fluency? How good is your fluency according to you?
It's not at all bad and
Yeah.
not perfect. It's
All right.
in the intermediate level.
All right, I see. Okay, so tell me more about you. What are your hobbies and interests?
I love to sing and and also listening to music. Then I'm also a butterfly enthusiast. Then
Wow.
like that. Then watching movies, TV, like
Okay. So are you trained in singing?
yeah, yeah. I
Oh
was
wow.
trained.
That was nice. That's so nice. And what kind of music do you like?
Yeah, I like more of relaxing songs, melody songs,
Okay.
more of
And
that.
also do you sing melodies?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. So that's your style of music.
yes.
Yeah, and tell me more about butterfly watching or butterfly enthusiasm.
Butterfly from in lower classes, maybe in sixth or seventh, that interest came. Butterflies. That is on a vacation. Me and my friend, that is neighborhood friend, came to search for butterflies. So we have books. So from that interest came. Then after that, we went to higher studies. That dropped.
Hmm.
But from last year, that lockdown period came. So we are again searching for that. Right.
Oh, you guys are searching for butterflies.
Yeah. And
And do you?
also,
Yeah, and also, please go on.
and also, we analyze the characteristics of butterflies.
Okay, so what, according to you, which butterfly is the most interesting?
Most interesting. My favorite one is it says southern birdwing.
Okay.
It's the largest butterfly in India.
Oh wow.
Then Next is Vilasini. I don't know the scientific name. It's
Mm-hmm.
Kerala name. It's
All right.
much beautiful to see.
Okay, I see.
And last year there is, that we don't have any national butterfly. And last
Oh,
year there is a all came to we have to a national butterfly till yet not announced, but I think it will come in future.
all right. That is nice. National butterfly. That would be nice.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So, and do you watch English movies or TV shows?
Um, I'm interested in movies, English movies,
Like?
not series. No.
Yeah. So, which kind of movies do you like?
Um, Not a particular genre. If I like it, I would definitely watch. That's all.
Oh, I see. Yeah, that happens. And so, which is your favorite? Like top three favorite English movies?
My favorite one of is Shawshank Redemption,
Oh yeah, great movie.
and Dead Poet Society.
Yes.
Then I like Twilight series because I like vampire.
Twilight. Yeah, Twilight. Yeah.
Vampire. Yeah.
Yeah. That is nice. That's such a nostalgic movie. Like that time was so nostalgic when everybody
Yeah.
used to be so crazy about Twilight, and it's
Yes.
all
Yes. Yes.
the whole trilogy. Yeah, not trilogy is a wrong word. The whole franchise. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So I really like that Poet Society. Like that's such a cool movie.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. Yeah.
so, what do you like
I
about that?
because I can connect that to me because in
Mm-hmm.
future I will become a teacher.
Yeah.
So that I can connect more of that now.
All right. Yeah, you are right. Like it's about a teacher, a really different,
Yes,
unconventional
yes.
teacher, right?
My very different teacher.
And when you watch that movie, did you find any Malayalam movie which is similar to that movie, which has taken ideas or which is inspired from Dead Poet Society? There is a movie in Malayalam actually.
What was that? I don't remember.
That movie in
It
Malayalam,
Manik
li- no, no, no. It is Life is Beautiful. In Life is Beautiful, some scenes are exactly copied from,
Okay.
copied or inspired. It's mostly the same.
Okay.
So, yeah,
I haven't watched that.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, and so how is this time going for you? How was this last lockdown going for you? Last 1 month?
This is really we are not doing anything. We are sitting here. Yes, we are. I have some exams in the coming. I'm not. I'm also preparing for that. But we have not traveled to anywhere. Simply sitting here
Yeah,
like
you're
that.
right.
Last lockdown was that was our first experience. So there is
Yeah,
excitement,
yeah,
but here next lockdown. So and also last lockdown, me and many of my friends, including me, used to cook new things
yes,
every day.
yes,
But
yes, you're right. Now, no, nobody cooks now.
now not at all that excitement because
Yeah,
this is second time.
yeah, and yeah, we are used to it and we know how this works. So there is no excitement.
Excitement, yeah.
Yeah. So how do you cope up with the lockdown? How do you deal with it? Is that an? Can I ask?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Um, are you why what I do in the lockdown? Are you
Yeah,
asking
like
about?
we are really bored because of sitting at home, right? So how do you deal with the
Yes.
boredom?
Um, Boredom means watching movies, then
Oh,
talking. I like talking.
oh, really? That's nice.
Then like that.
Okay.
Then we have so many friends here. Then
Oh,
sisters, brothers. So chit chat,
Hmm.
grandparents. So
Okay. And is it raining these days there? It
yes,
must
yes,
be, right? Yeah.
yes, yes.
Okay, yeah. So, and what about the Thrissur Puram this year? Did it happen? It happened, right?
Yes, it happened, but no, just for a um, mm, not a big deal,
Hmm.
just
Yeah,
for
in a small way, like
yeah.
with a limited number of people.
Very limited number of people.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So the thing is, we are talking about, you may feel that we are talking about random things, but I'm doing this so that I can analyze your language abilities. All right.
Okay, no
I
problem.
can access your language. Yeah. So, okay, then I will give you a quick feedback. You
Okay,
are speaking really well. Like you have made very few grammatical errors. I didn't
okay,
even know. I noted down only one error, which was you said I recently came across this platform through YouTube. It should have
um,
been I recently came across this platform on YouTube or across YouTube.
okay,
But even through is also fine. But a better way of telling that is I recently came across this platform on YouTube. Okay,
okay, okay,
okay. Even there you were not entirely wrong. It was partially correct in some way.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
Uh, and then sometimes you hesitate. You have a good fluency, but sometimes you hesitate when you don't get the right word. Mostly.
yes, yes,
Yeah, so you are right. You are right about vocabulary. You have assessed yourself right, and
okay,
vocabulary you have, and I can give you suggestions after some time about how to
okay,
improve your vocabulary. Okay, and then
okay,
uh, so there is only little hesitancy, and
okay.
in the pronunciation there is mother tongue influence. So
Yeah,
we South Indians and especially us Malayalis have a strong mother tongue influence. But the lucky thing for us is that our mother tongue influence is not as strong as the rest of South India. It's still comparatively
okay,
lesser, so it's
okay,
fine. Okay.
okay.
But I can hear that Thrissur accent when you talk in English, but that is completely
Yeah,
fine because you're from Thrissur and that will show. And
okay,
mother tongue influence in pronunciation, it is a tricky thing because it's not bad to have MTI in your pronunciation. MTI means mother tongue influence.
okay,
Like I'm completely fine with when I talk. There is this indication that you can know that I'm a Malayali. Yeah,
yeah,
but I'm completely fine with that. There is no issue with that. And the only thing is sometimes we pronounce some words wrongly
okay,
compared to a native speaker. But that even that is okay because they are bound to get influenced by our mother tongue, right?
yes,
It depends on you if you want to improve your mother tongue influence or not.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
So I will explain to you how Clappingo works. There are a
okay,
number of different tutors on Clappingo. So talking to them will help you improve your confidence in talking to strangers in English. All right.
okay,
So
okay,
when we have to talk to a stranger and that too in English, automatically this nervousness sets in. We do not always talk in English, right? So it doesn't
yes,
naturally come to us. We have to think for the words and the sentences and the sentence construction and all of that. So when you get
okay,
to talk to different strangers on a regular basis on Clappingo, then that
okay,
issue of nervousness that will be solved.
okay,
Okay. And so for each session, there will be a session document. The session document will be based on a particular topic, like food or travel, and we will converse on that topic. The session document will be sent to you before the session. Okay.
okay,
And in the beginning few sessions, the first few sessions in the session document, there will be basic grammar lessons. But we do not
okay,
take the grammar lessons during the class. If you have any doubt, we'll definitely answer it, but not otherwise. Okay?
okay, okay.
Yeah. And so, do you have any doubts on how Clappingo works or on anything?
No, it is clear now.
Okay. So, I'll give you some suggestions on how to improve your vocabulary. So, do you read news?
Yeah,
You do.
sometimes, sometimes not.
Yeah,
Not
and
daily basis.
not on a daily basis. All right, that's fine. So try to start reading news. There is a very
Okay.
interesting news channel. It's on YouTube. It's called Vion. I will type the name in the chat box. Vion.
Okay.
Okay. So Vion has a
Okay.
special. It has a special program called Gravitas Plus, and this channel Vion is they handle news really well in a very interesting manner. They have a host called Palke Sharma Upadhyay. Her way of
Okay.
anchoring is so good that we will be hooked to the news. I started watching it, and I only my YouTube feed only shows this recommendation these days. It's so interesting. So my
Okay.
point is, watching news is very beneficial to increase our vocabulary. Watching or
Okay.
reading news, and always for improving our vocabulary, reading is a best strategy. So you can
Okay.
start reading some books. There are some great books for beginners, like, have you heard of Ikigai? It's a self-help book. All right.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. And do you have any other doubt? There is only 2 minutes for our session to wind up. Do you have any doubts?
No, not at all. No.
No doubts. Okay, so to improve your vocabulary, another idea is to watch different videos on YouTube on different subjects. All right.
Okay.